You know how in movies they tell you to shut the hell up when you get arrested? It's because you can things up. Can I fire my attorney and use AI to represent myself? Negotiation requires technique, skills, and strategy. That is something that AI can never learn. Let me explain it. When it comes to personal injury cases, plaintiffs representing themselves are at a big disadvantage. For example, in Northern California, over 55% of people who chose to represent themselves in civil cases ended up having their cases tossed out before it could even be argued due to procedural missteps. And a fun fact, over 90% of the people who defended themselves in criminal cases lost, and they lost bad. So why should you hire professionals like GoSuits instead of representing yourself? Plaintiffs who represent themselves commonly undervalue or overvalue their cases. Insurance companies spend millions training their adjusters and lawyers to find ways to lowball your case. They evaluate risk, litigation costs, and jury outcomes. Without comparable knowledge, you may accept quick settlements that fails to cover medical bills, rehabilitation, or future losses. On the other hand, we are well versed in their tactics and won't let that happen. Also, who's your last line of defense when the insurance company doesn't cooperate? You can talk to my attorney. So, just get an attorney from the beginning. What you don't know can also hurt you too. You may not be aware of the statute of limitation and deadlines for certain filings. If you miss the filing of even one document, your claim can be thrown out before you even get a chance to argue your case. You can create leverage problems by making admissions in a recorded statement or in a settlement discuss issues regarding your past that they can use against you in the future. A misstep in your negotiation can heavily damage your settlement or verdict. We'll always be there to guide you through those steps. Simple as that, case closed.